What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Today we are going to be unboxing my Causebox. This is the fall box. I am super excited to see what we have inside. So if you're interested, like myself, then just stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to be putting the value of all of the items that I received in my box right here. They will be adding up into the total. So it's like a African theme, I guess. It seems to be kind of like an Afrikaans-y. So we got like the giraffes and llamas, maybe. I don't know, like desert slash. It's usually just an artist. It doesn't necessarily tell of the products that are inside. But yeah, I don't know. So Halloween is coming up this week. I'm super excited. I got a really cool costume, and it's like gonna be like a huntress archer type costume, though I didn't bother getting a bow. The only thing I could find was like these like children's toy bows. I just didn't feel like carrying that around. So you always get one of these like magazine things. Sometimes I read it. I don't read every page of it or anything. Watch, I like love everything inside of this one. First thing was right on top. It's some sort of bag, like tote bag, duffel bag maybe? Ooh. Yeah, so we have a like duffel bag. It's all canvas. It has a little like outside pocket, small outside pocket. Anything inside with the interior pocket as well. And then it is just, I don't know if I'll use this. I mean, it'd be a decent gym bag, I guess, but so yeah, crossbody. I don't know, maybe it'd be good for like going when I go flying. I don't know, maybe I'll use it. Next, so anyway, so yes, I'm gonna be a huntress like archer, and I was thinking about doing I have to always do something fun like makeup wise. It's just like doesn't feel like me if I don't. And so I was gonna do, I came up with the idea of inspiration from the 100 to do like kind of like just a black eye mask with makeup, kind of like Octavia and stuff on there. So okay, so this is Malin and Goetz, whatever. So here you can see Malin and Goetz recovery treatment oil. Not really sure. Fast absorbing treatment is formulated with a blend of antioxidant rich oils that nourish and hydrate to help address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So here we go. So it's a dropper bottle. It's very watery. Came out quick. It's very, very lightweight. A very citrusy scent. Will I use it? I don't know. I definitely could. So the value of the Malin and Goetz treatment oil is $82. Okay, so got something here from Ladder & Co. So they call this a travel wallet. It says designed in California, ethically made in China, created with the highest quality. It's a vegan leather. I'm gonna tear it off. I can't get that. What do we have in here? I mean, is it just for what's nice is this is actually for more than just your passport. It has room in here for you to put that in. There's also like your typical sleeves over here where you can put your cash in here, or your maybe a card or something else in here, but it has a bit more versatility. You could put your driver's license or something in here. I don't know. I mean, like, are travel wallets or passport wallets, are they still a thing? The value of the travel wallet is $108. I don't think so. Like, why? Why? Are you kidding me? Like, let's see. The travel wallet, an exclusive collaboration with Australian artist Christine Lubinsky. This terrazzo inspired travel wallet. It's a perfect, blah, blah, blah. Well, I would call that an inflated value. I would never, no one would ever pay $108 for this. So I would call it like 20 to 30, but to say that it's valued at $108 that's like saying, that's like trying to price something super sentimental to you. That's just such a wild number. The skincare item, you know, I that could possibly be an $80 item. Okay, I'll go with that. So we have another item here. It's wrapped up in some tissue, and it is a roll, some sort of roll. I don't know, maybe it's a brush roll. Whoa! No way. I actually got a makeup item. Like, I've gotten a lot of skincare. I don't think I've ever gotten makeup items from them before. La Beauté Soi? Is it S-O-I? Yes. So this is just like the little strap. And we've got a powder brush, a blush brush. I wouldn't consider any of these specifically to be a foundation brush. It's a pearlized handle with the name on it with a rose gold ferrule and then a kind of like ivory bristle. They are vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, hand-trimmed bristles. So there we go. This is nice. It's been so long. I used to use fan brushes a lot. We've got some great eye brushes or to use with your concealer. This concealer around the eye is what I would most likely use it for. And then I would call this a bronzer or blush brush, and then a powder brush or bronzer brush. So yeah, so that is shocking. I did not expect that. The La Beauté Soi makeup brush set, they value at $24. Next up is a necklace by Nashelle. Looks like a longer necklace. Okay, so this is the Heather Drop Lariat necklace, and it's valued at $38. And so it's like that. So you can wear it like this, like that maybe, or you could go like run it up high and long. All right, got one more item. Originally, I had really liked the idea of supporting a box like this because of all of the, not just self-sustaining businesses they worked with, but also because they were working with organizations that were helping to employ a lot of other people in other countries in a positive way. But it just hasn't really worked out the way that I was hoping for. So we have a fragrance, I think. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's a candle. So we have a candle by La Lueur. La Lueur, it's in white cactus. And it is from sustainably sourced ingredients with a coconut wax blend, poured in the US, packaged in a reusable glass vessel, valued at $35. Okay, let's see. So it has a glass jar. Is it unique? It smells really nice. Oh wow, that's pretty. So it's like a painted one. Isn't that pretty? And then it has like a chrome interior to it. I don't know if you can see that, but that is super, super pretty. That smells really good. This might be my favorite item of the whole box. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so they're kind of claiming that the total value of this box with the values that they list in their book here for my items is $395. Now, with the items that I get in my FabFitFun box, that's definitely the case. I just don't think that's the case in this box. I would significantly disagree. I think that the value of the items that they listed in this book are highly inflated. I don't think that a canvas tote bag like that is worth $108. I think that they have a realistic price for the brush set, the necklace. Another highly inflated price is the leather travel wallet. Like, no. So that's kind of why we are going away from the Causebox. So that is it for the fall Causebox unopening, we can call that. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to do the things down there where you hit the like button and subscribe. Make sure you join us, and next up we will be having a BoxyCharm video going up. Don't miss it. See what I got inside my box. Until next time, be blessed. Bye-bye.